Typing the same text every day might feel normal, but it slowly kills your productivity. Emails, usernames, replies, notes, work messages. Most people repeat these tasks without realizing there's a faster way to handle them. The good news is, Windows already gives you a simple built-in workflow. To avoid repetitive typing, no extra apps needed. First, identify repeated text. Think about what you type every single day. Email greetings, common replies, job descriptions, contact details, or messages you send to clients or coworkers. Instead of typing them again and again, just copy them once. Now here's where the real trick starts. When clipboard history is enabled, Windows doesn't just remember the last thing you copied, it remembers many items. You can open it anytime by pressing Windows key +V, and instantly see a list of your recent copied texts. Just click what you need, and it pastes immediately. This means you're no longer working line by line. You're reusing information. Next step, organization. When you find text you use very often, you can pin it inside the clipboard history. Pinned items stay there even after you restart your computer, so your important messages are always ready to paste. This workflow is extremely useful for office work, freelancing, customer support, online selling, or daily computer tasks. No typing from scratch. No memorizing sentences. No installing extra software. Once you build this habit, your speed improves naturally, without learning complicated shortcuts. Most people search for productivity apps, but some of the biggest time savers are already built into Windows. And if you want more simple Windows workflows that actually save time, check out the other videos on this channel. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.